Testing for phosphonate, featuring Taylor's K-8014, formulated for exclusive use with Taylor's TTI colorimeter. Test method: persulfate UV oxidation. In the presence of persulfate and UV radiation, phosphonate is converted to phosphate. Under acidic conditions, phosphate reacts with molybdate to produce a heteropoly acid, which is reduced with ascorbic acid to form an intense blue color proportional to the concentration of phosphate, and therefore phosphonate, in a sample. Interferences. The following analytes were tested to the levels listed and found not to cause any interference up to the specified values. Test procedure. Before beginning this or any other Taylor test, it is best to read the instructions through to the end. Familiarizing yourself with all the steps to come is particularly important if the test is new to you or if the reagent pack is newly purchased, as sometimes our procedures change. Included within the instructions for K-8014 is information about the proper way to clean the glassware used for this test. Please read and follow these directions before performing the test to assure accurate results. Also read the user's guide and safety information included with the SteriPen UV light before using. To begin, press the power button to turn on the colorimeter. Press the main menu button and select a test menu, All Test, Recent Test, or Favorites. For this demonstration, we will select the All Tests menu, which contains a list of pre-programmed Taylor tests. If you have added the Phosphonate 30 test to your Favorites menu, it can be found there also, or in the Recent Tests menu if it's a test you have performed within your last 10 procedures. Scroll to locate the Phosphonate 30 test, then press Enter. Select a chemical form: PBTC, HEDP, PO4, HPA, or ATMP for expression of test results using the scroll arrows. For phosphonates not listed, select PO4. For this demonstration, we will choose PBTC. Rinse and fill the 50 ml dilution vial to the 5 ml mark with the sample water. Dilute the sample to the 50 ml mark with the DI water. Then cap and mix thoroughly. Rinse and fill the 25 mm sample cell to the 10 ml mark with the diluted sample. Then cap and set aside. This will be the blank sample cell. Discard the remaining sample in the dilution vial. Rinse and fill the 50 ml dilution vial to the 5 ml mark with the sample water. Dilute the sample to the 50 ml mark with the DI water. Then cap and mix thoroughly. Pour off the diluted sample to the 40 ml mark. Using the 0.15 gram dipper spoon, add 1 level dipper of Phosphonate 30, reagent A, to the remaining sample, 40 ml, in the dilution vial. Cap and mix until all powder is dissolved. Pour the sample into the plastic sample tube. Remove the lamp cover from the SteriPen UV light. Press and hold the activation button for 1 full second. After releasing the activation button, wait until the green LED light on the SteriPen begins to flash. Note, the LED light on the SteriPen will flash a red signal if the sensing pins are not fully dry. Insert the SteriPen into the sample. When the sensing pins reach the sample, the SteriPen will automatically turn on. Slowly stir the sample with a SteriPen until the light turns off. Then remove the SteriPen. Dry the sensing pins completely with a soft, lint-free cloth and repeat the process to complete the UV digestion. Rinse and fill a second clean 25 mm sample cell to the 10 ml mark with the UV digested sample. This will be the sample. Using the 0.05 gram dipper spoon, add 1 level dipper, Phosphonate 30, reagent B, to both sample cells, blank and sample. Then cap and swirl to dissolve the powder. Remove the cap from both sample cells and add 1 ml Phosphonate 30, reagent C, to each. Then cap and swirl to mix for 30 seconds. Select Timer using the scroll arrows and then press Enter. Select Start and then press Enter. A 5-minute countdown will begin. Select Exit, then Enter. When the timer beeps, insert the blank sample cell into the sample cell compartment, aligning the arrow on the cell with the notch on the sample cell compartment. Then gently push down. Select 0, then press Enter. 0 will be displayed on the screen. Remove the blank sample cell from the sample cell compartment. Insert the second sample cell into the sample cell compartment. Select Read, then press Enter. The instrument will read the sample and the result will be displayed. In this video, we read the results directly as PBTC. If the chemical form chosen for expression of test results is PO4, the result can be expressed in terms of a specific phosphonate using the appropriate conversion factor provided in the instruction. Other reagent packs. In addition to the K-8014, Taylor manufactures many other tests for the TTI colorimeter series. To view the complete listing, choose the Product Info button, go to Buy Colorimeter in the drop-down menu, then select Reagent Packs for your meter model. We also make an accuracy check kit, which should be used periodically to check instrument performance. Taylor's knowledgeable customer service representatives are available to provide technical assistance about our products. Call 800-TEST-KIT